Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add groups and users to your ActiveCampaign account. This is essential if you're managing a team and need to organize member access and permissions effectively within your workspace. First, open your browser and head over to ActiveCampaign.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing in with an account that has administrative privileges, as you'll need those permissions to manage groups and users. After logging in, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. Scroll down towards the lower section of this menu until you find the option labeled Settings. Click on Settings, and from the menu that appears, select Users and Groups. This section is where all the magic happens when it comes to organizing your team members and controlling what they can access. Now you'll notice there are tabs at the top of this page. Click on the Group tab first. Managing groups allows you to create organized teams with specific permissions and limits, which is incredibly useful for larger organizations. On the upper right corner of the screen, you'll see a button that says Add New Group. Go ahead and click it. A form will appear asking you to enter some details. Type in a group title that clearly describes the team or department this group represents. If you'd like, you can also add a description to provide more context about the group's purpose. Below that, you'll find options to edit permissions. This is where you can control what members of this group are allowed to do within your ActiveCampaign account. You can also adjust limits, such as how many contacts they can manage or campaigns they can create. Once you've configured everything to your liking, click Save to create the group. Next, it's time to add individual users to your account. Click on the Users tab at the top of the page. On the upper right corner, you'll see a button labeled Add a New User. Click on it to proceed. Here's something important to note. Adding a user requires you to upgrade your plan. This feature is not available on the free trial, so if you're still on the trial version, you'll need to upgrade before you can continue. Assuming your plan is already upgraded, here's what you'll do next. You'll be prompted to fill out a form with the new user's details. Start by typing in their first name, then their last name, and finally their email address. This email will be used to send them an invitation to join your ActiveCampaign account. Next, you'll need to assign them to a group. From the Group drop-down menu, select the appropriate team, such as Sales Team or whichever group you created earlier. After that, you can set user limits. This controls how much access or how many resources this particular user can utilize within the platform. If needed, you also have the option to set a max emails per day limit, which can help manage outreach volume and ensure your account stays within healthy sending practices. Once you've filled out all the necessary information and adjusted the settings, click Add User to finalize the process. And that's it. You've successfully added groups and users to your ActiveCampaign account, giving you better control and organization over your team's workflow. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.